A for apple. B for banana. C for coconut. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flower. G for grapes. H for hibiscus. I for India. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lychee. M for mango. N for night jasmine. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for tulip. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zero.